Yes, people. You see, if you want to lose that stubborn weight, look no further. Because today's video, FadaGugs is going to show you how to make a simple and very easy but effective weight loss drink. In that drink, I'm going to be adding 2 cucumber, half a watermelon, 2 lime, couple mint leaf, and about 1.5 cup of water. But this water, it is optional. The reason why, the watermelon is made up of 90% water. The cucumber, 96% water. So that is why I said the water, it is optional. But in this video today, I'm going to be adding the water. But as always, you know FadaGugs like to talk a little bit about each of the ingredients and some of the benefits that they have to offer. The watermelon, as I said before, it's made up of 90% water. So if you're trying to lose weight, this is a good choice. It is high in antioxidant. It is also high in vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B1, B6, and vitamin C. It is rich in lycopene that increase the body amino acid that help to move the blood through our body and also help us to lose weight. The cucumber, as I said before, 96% of the cucumber is made up of water. So if you're trying to lose weight, this is a good choice. It is low in calories and it's got 0 fat. It is rich in minerals and antioxidant. It helps to hydrate the body, and it is high in folic acid and vitamin C, which is good for the skin and your hair. Next, this is the lime. Lime, it improves digestion. It fights infection. It helps with weight loss and it reduces inflammation. This is just a basic information of all of the benefit that these has to offer. I'll put a more detailed one in the description below. So now let's just go ahead and make that amazing drink. So what I'm doing now, I'm just moving these to the side. Remember, make sure you wash all your ingredients them thoroughly. So just put these to the side. I'll bring the blender forward. So first, what you want to do, you want to peel your melon. You can cut it up however you want to cut it up. You just need to get the flesh out of the melon. So just cut it up in some nice size and then just basically cut out the flesh into the blender. Just like that. Yes, people, I have fast forward a piece of the video where I'm cutting up the watermelon and the cucumber just to sort of keep the video at a decent length. But to be honest, when the video is fast forward like this, I look like a proper professional chopping up all of them fruits. Honestly, I am impressed. If you agree with me and think I look like a professional, just drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you will never miss another video from FadaGugs. We've only got a couple more seconds before we get back to the video, which I hope you enjoy. So there you have it. Let me just clear up the side a bit. so that I can move the blender forward. I'm going to push this to the side. Just bring the blender forward a bit. Here you have it. Just wipe my hands. Just add a little bit of water, just a little tot of water just at the bottom. There we have it, all ready to blend. So here we have it, people. Finished blend. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our container. We're gonna strain it in our container. Just gonna strain it off before we blend the rest of cucumbers. Just give it a nice strain. Oh, that smells lovely. Just give it a little swirl. So here you have it, people. I've already strained the other one, so I'm just gonna blend the rest of cucumber now and just add it to the mixture. Yes, people, so it's finished blend now. Just take it off of the blender. Bring this over a bit closer. Yeah, let's just strain off the rest of cucumber. Pour it in our strainer. Just like that. Just give it a little swirl. Smell fresh and nice. Yes, people, so here we have it. Nice and looking, yeah, looking good. So what we are going to do now, we just have to put the lime inside it. Just cut the lime just like that. And then we're just going to squeeze the lime inside it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, everything, just squeeze the lime. Just like that. Oh, that smells nice. Yeah, that's nice. Just mix up that and I'll just have a look at taste. That look nice, man. Yeah, that is nice and refreshing. That is nice. And then what I normally do with the mint leaf, I normally just crush them up and throw them inside the juice. You could actually blend them with the juice, but I normally just crush it up and just put it in the drink and just mix it around, so you get that nice hint of the mint whilst you're having that nice juice. Yeah, so that's it. So what I'm gonna do now, then I'm just gonna get a glass and just throw it in a glass so you can have a look. Yes people, so here we have it. We just get a nice glass, just throw the goodness inside it so you can have a proper look. Here you go. Yeah, that's nice. Then what we'll do, just put a couple of the ingredients them beside it, just like that. Yes, last but not least, nice straw. So there you have it people, watermelon cucumber weight loss drink. Very effective and it's very delicious as well. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notification as well. And as always, share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, FadaGugs is out.